Okay, in this video, we're going to go over the Events tab. Okay, or the Events section. Okay, if you are, it's fairly simple. If you just look in here and you see what the name of the event is and the time and the date, and if it's close to that time or date, you can teleport to that location. If you want to put on an event, it just has to be a MayaStar avatar related event, such as a fashion show that all the models are wearing a MayaStar avatar body, and they're wearing the MayaStar avatar clothes that you made for the body or bodies. You can put on a little fashion show, and you can say, I'm putting on a fashion show on this date between this time and so just teleport here and come to the fashion show. So that's what these buttons are here for. And like I said, if you want to know how to get it set up, to get an event in there, just click on this and it will take you to a web page that gives you all sorts of instructions on how to do that. Okay, now down here in the corner we have a freebie section. So if you click on that, you'll notice that there are, now these normally will have images of the freebie items in there. And you'll notice that under some items, it says members. This means members only. And if it says for everyone, that means even if you don't have a MayaStar membership, you can click on the image and you can teleport to that location and get that item. And if you are a designer and you're making items for the MayaStar avatar, you can click the merchant info button and it will take you to a web page that will give you instructions on what you need to do in order to get your item into the MayaStar HUD. So that's what this is for. And these little arrows down here are for so that you can keep going to the different pages, and hopefully we'll have very many pages to where people can keep clicking and find all sorts of fun, cool freebie items for the avatar. And like I said, so if you're a member, you can click on any of them and go and get them for free. If you're not a MayaStar member and you're using the body and you're not a MayaStar avatar member, and you're going to the vendor and clicking it once a month or so to click on it to keep the avatar body from turning green, you can click on the ones that say for everyone and teleport there. You might see the ones for members and click on it and go and buy it. So you can still teleport to that location that says members and buy the item if it's for sale there if you want. So even if you don't happen to be a member, you might see something that you really like and you want to teleport to that store and check it out in person and hopefully buy it. So awesome. So that's the end of this video for the events and freebies section. And awesome. We'll see you in the next video.